DST is an international dehumidification company with more than 30 years of experience. DST has 4 subsidiary companies all across the world in Poland, China, USA, and East Africa. In our headquarters in Sweden, we constantly test and improve our dehumidifiers, working closely with our representatives across the globe. All our manufacturing plants are certified according to ISO 9001, and we make sure that our units meet our customers' requirements. Our production facilities, with a total area of 35,000 square meters, allow us to process many large orders at the same time. We reduce moisture content in the air to protect our clients' interests. If the air is too moist, it can reduce the efficiency of production and cause damage to the products and facilities. Moisture in the air provokes significant problems as condensation, rust, mold, and sticky products. Most common applications of DST dehumidifiers are food industry, lithium batteries, pharmaceuticals, bridges, and wind power stations, but we can supply our units to whatever application is needed. In order to make the air dry, DST uses silica gel rotors, produced by Seibu Geek in Japan. The processed air is dried by passing through the rotating rotor, which absorbs moisture. The moisture in the rotor is removed by heated regeneration airflow. DST manufactures both small portable units and huge industrial dehumidifiers. We offer everything from basic desiccant dehumidification to a complete climate control system. Our dehumidifiers are always adapted to the customer's needs. We make energy-saving units, provide stainless steel chassis for small machines, and offer our clients custom-built solutions. Dehumidifiers can be controlled both by touchscreen panels and online program. Don't let moisture get the best of you and your company. We are the world leaders in dehumidification. We are DST.